headed to the evacuation area. Alright, very organized. This is my second time coming down a building, a tall building, without the use of an elevator. Ground floor. And there is, okay, this is the evacuation area, complete with ambulance and fire brigade. So where do we go? Okay, here we are. So where do we proceed? So we have been informed about this fire drill. Last week we had a seminar about fire and emergency measures, and now we're doing it. Okay, while waiting ourselves to get organized, let's discuss an Ilonggo word related to fire. Fire in Ilonggo is kalayo, and burning or fire, which means burning, is sunog. It's also a Tagalog word, sunog. So, kalayo for fire, fire which is burning, sunog. So, when you hear somebody shouting or calling for help, you would hear sunog, sunog, sunog! So, when there's a fire, you shout sunog, but only when there's a real fire.
We simulate what are we going to do in case of fire emergency, okay? So as you can see from other news, we have a lot of fire. So there are no exemption during fire. Even buildings has fire incident. You will know what's the sound of your alarm, right? So before, did you hear your alarm?
Yes.
Is it audible? Was it audible? Okay. Office staff of the building, security, housekeeping, and engineering, they are your fire brigades. Squeeze operating lever. Another is swing in side-by-side motion. So you have to swing in side-by-side motion. And after T-pass, you also have to observe your proper distance away from the fire. So you should be 2 to 3 meters or 6 to 8 feet away from the fire. So when we say small fire, for fire extinguisher as small as me or as tall as me, the flame as tall as me, we can use fire extinguishers. Okay? I'm not
Bea is now trying the fire extinguisher herself so that she will be able to know how to put out the fire.
Don't be afraid.
Okay, she's putting out the fire. Good job, Bea. Ooh, that was a smoky one. Well, that was an experience, how to put off a fire using a fire extinguisher. That's our fire drill for today. The red fire extinguisher contains a dry chemical, ammonium mono whatever, so it's really powdery out here. Linog. On the other hand, earthquake is called linog. So this is an earthquake and fire drill. Sunog and linog. Woo, so much dust. This is Joan of Arc, and see you again in our next video.